Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I know I'm very inconsistent and I say this almost all the time when I shoot videos because I really am inconsistent. This still makes me go crazy. So guys, I'm in Northwest now, Madibongo, where both my parents are from, and it's the 16th of December. It's about to go crazy. There's a bash that's happening this side. So I came to Northwest early this year. I normally come when it's December. I normally come here on the 20th or just after the 20th of December, but I came early because there's a bash and I want to be there no matter what. Come rain, come sunshine, I'm gonna be there. So yeah, this is like a young vlog of my day, how my day is gonna be going about. So I'm having lunch. I'm almost done actually, so I'm about to clean. I actually swept, so I just need to like mop the house and get ready. And the sad part about being here is the fact that there's no network coverage, guys. Like, there's no network whatsoever. So now I'm actually on a hotspot. Yeah, my dad, because child, even Telkom is worse. Telkom is worse. It'll just say no service. You can't do anything. Even calling was a problem. Calling people because hey, the calls don't go through. But anyways, guys, let me get busy.
I mean, you can see by the outfit that I'm gonna be bomb as hell.
The girl just took a bath. Lamana, I even plugged my weave. It's about to go down. I'm going to apply my makeup now. And yeah. And I'm done, you guys. I'm done. Camera quality is so bad right now because guys, it's raining. Like, it's been raining since, I don't know, 5 p.m. and now it's to 7. I don't know how many minutes to 7, but it's to 7 and I haven't even been to the venue yet. But okay, I'm going there. Hopefully this rain will stop because wow, it's no longer raining, it's drizzling now, but still, man, it's ruining our vibe.
Can we talk about how happy and how beautiful everyone looked, you guys? I enjoyed myself at the street bash and I would definitely do it again. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys on my next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, do just that, child. From me to you, it's just love.